Hi everybody and welcome to Mrs.Biggs Simple Cooking. Because of the coronavirus, a lot of people are stocking up on things, and I just made a video on what to do with saltine crackers, so be sure to check it out. But I wanted to go over, as I mentioned in my last video, about milk. There's none at the store. What are you going to do? Well, a lot of people, as of yet, knows about the old school way. Some powder milk. Yes. If we can do it with chocolate and mix it up, we can do it with the regular. You want skim milk, whole milk, 2% milk, 1% milk, you name it. We're going to make it right now, okay? So we have this. We're going to fill up our cup with water. It's better to have chilled water, but I'm just showing you how to make it. And I'm making it by the glass, but it does give you the directions for a gallon and a quart. So I have my glass of water, and I have my powder milk. Let's make some milk. I got 1, 2, uno, dos, twice, 3. Okay, so I'm going to mix it up. Looks like milk. I like ice cream in my milk. And you can always add chocolate syrup for the kids if they think it's funky. They won't know the difference. See, it's milk. Yep, and leaves the milk mustache. Guys, don't stress if there's no milk on the shelves. Don't forget, there's powder milk. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications and wipe off your milk mustache. Bye, guys. Don't stress. We'll get out of this.